The number of coronavirus cases continues to rise locally. Saturday, Virginia Beach saw its highest one-day increase with 329 cases. But state health officials say that spike was due to a delay in the data being entered. Sunday morning, the Virginia Department of Health reported 958 more cases of COVID-19 and 3 new deaths. And that brings the state's total to more than 84,000 cases since the start of the outbreak. Governor Northam announced he is closely watching the number of cases across the state. Northam warns if the numbers do not come down, we may have to take a different approach to slow the spread of COVID-19. 10 News Side's Kiana Patterson joins us now live. And Kiana, you talked with the governor about the problems our area is facing.
That's right, Don, and the governor tells me people here in the Tidewater area have to do the right thing if we're going to get this health crisis under control. Now, the governor says the state positivity rate has improved, but here in Hampton Roads, we're still seeing an increase in COVID cases. He adds some people in our area are simply not following guidelines. To slow the spread of the virus, he says the state has stepped up enforcement, and several businesses in Norfolk and Virginia Beach have lost their business license, but he also plans to improve testing and tracing.
What we're hearing from our tracers is that it's kind of twofold. Bars and restaurants are an issue. People are not complying. People are not social distancing. They're not wearing their mask. And then individuals are having parties at their homes or wherever where people are coming from different parts of the state and other states, bringing in the virus. No adherence to our guidelines of social distancing and using facial protection.
And tomorrow at 2 o'clock, the governor plans to give an update on next steps to combat the virus. We expect him to make some changes to the guidelines if he does not see improvement in the numbers. In Portsmouth, Kiana Patterson, 10 on your side.